Hello, I'm Henry DeVillers, Product Specialist for B&G Electronics. This is one of our intercom systems which we've been manufacturing now for about 30 years. This intercom system has been manufactured originally for the armored industry. You'll find this intercom system in vehicles that are transporting police officers, politicians, dignitaries, lots of use with escorts and also in convoys. Now at B&G Electronics, we're introducing this intercom system to law enforcement. We call it our Patrol Watch series. Our Patrol Watch series gives you a lot of tones, like the tone you're listening to right now. This is called our CHIRP tone. This CHIRP tone is a non-lethal tone that's designed to help the law enforcement official or design armored vehicles so that they can make their way. So stay tuned to this video. We're going to go into greater details. We're going to show you all the features of our B&G intercom system and how it can help you in your law enforcement duty. Our intercom system comes in several power levels. First of all, this is the amplifier right here. This one happens to be 150 watts and 250 watts. We have a 100 watt version, a 150 watt version, and a 250 watt version. These amplifiers are driving a speaker. Depending on which system you have, the 100 and 150 have one speaker, one outside speaker. The 250 watt version has two speakers with it. These are the controls for our intercom system. First of all, we showed you the undercover version. Now if you'll notice in the undercover version we have 1, 2, 3 rows of controls. Also in the patrol version, these are laid out identical. The functions are the same thing. If you learn how to use this one, you'll be able to use this one. Both of them have microphones built in. This one is backlit. This one is also backlit. So I'm going to put this one just to the side. First of all, in your first row, you have your well function. If you push the button up and down, you have your horn function. While I'm explaining it, you'll be hearing the tones. They may not be in the exact sequence that I'm explaining it to you. Also here you have your siren functions, and if you push down, this gives you your alert tones, what you may know as your chirp tones. You have two different chirp tones, and then you have a tone in between both of them to give a pause to the ears. Okay? Then on the siren tones, you have your well, your yelp, and your phaser. Now, here's something important to know. When you're purchasing your system, get with your upfitter, let them know how you want your system configured. This can be custom configured, and we have a complete library of tones, European tones and US tones, so we can make it custom designed just for you. And if you're going to use this in an application where you do not want a siren for certain vehicles, let's say Citizens Patrol or something like that, we can disable the siren for you also. Over here we have the intercom and we have the push to talk so that you can respond back. Now, there's some important things that I want to distinguish here. First of all, this has a public address system. With the public address system, this gives you 250 watts into two speakers. It's very, very loud. But in order to activate it, you cannot be listening to the intercom. You have to go straight down and use the public address system. And here's the reason why. If you go to the intercom and you're monitoring and then you switch to talk back, it lowers the volume. This is to reduce the volume so that you don't hurt the ears of someone that you're talking to outside of your patrol car. Yeah, go ahead and walk around the back of the vehicle, or just do a 360 and count.
Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
this speaker?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18.
Okay, perfect. So this is the control head for the Patrol Watch series. This is the one for patrol use. This is the one for undercover use. And don't forget, we also have the microphone, which has limited functions. Another control form is our microphone. However, it does not control all the other functions. You still need to use it with one of these other control heads. The microphone is convenient because it gives you the ability to speak right into the speaker, where these other two have this microphones built into them. Outside of the vehicle, you're going to need a microphone. All of these systems come with two microphones. There's one on the left and there's one on the right. This is our standard microphone, And we also have a heavy duty microphone. Now this microphone is designed where you drill into the vehicle. You can do this inside the door jamb, and this installs, and you can have one on the left and one on the right, or you can do it front and back. It's designed so that it provides you years of service, and it is a heavy duty, very sensitive microphone. For your patrol cars, we have several options. We have the 100 watt option, the 150 watt option, and a massive 250 watt option for your patrol car. One of the things that I like about it is the monitor function. If you're out on a traffic stop, you can listen to what's going on. It gives you ears outside of your car. Whether you're responding to a domestic situation, once you get there, wherever you're at, you can hear what's going inside you or outside of your car from the inside. You can be listening, typing up a report, and you hear what's going on. I like that function best of all. The next feature that it has, of course, is you have your backup siren, and then you have your CHIRP function, and then you have a public address system with a massive amount of energy, 150 watts and 250 watts. That is our Patrol Watch series. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's been informative. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We're going to put our phone numbers here at Spike Strip Manufacturing, SB Armoring. We're the exporters for B&G Electronics and the exporters for SB Armoring. Thank you for watching.